In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in Slack to keep important messages visible. Pinning messages is a fantastic way to ensure essential information remains accessible and doesn't get lost in the shuffle. If you're like me, you know how quickly conversations can fly by in an active Slack channel. 1 minute you're discussing project deadlines, and the next, your crucial piece of information is buried beneath a wave of reaction emojis and banter. That's where pinning comes in as a game changer. To get started, the first thing you want to do is hover over the message you wish to pin. Now, this might be a particular update you don't want anyone to miss, a significant announcement, or just a friendly reminder about next week's meeting. As you hover, you'll notice various options appear alongside the message, but what we're interested in is right at the end. Next, direct your attention to the More Actions icon, which resembles 3 vertically stacked dots. This is your gateway to further options and Slack functionalities. Give it a click. This icon is essentially like your digital Swiss Army knife, compact but incredibly useful in multiple situations. Once you've clicked the More Actions icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. In this list, you'll find the choice labeled either Pin to Channel or Pin to this conversation. Go ahead and select this option. By choosing to pin, you aren't just bookmarking the message for yourself, you're flagging it as a priority for everyone in that channel or conversation. It's usability like this that makes Slack such a powerful tool for teamwork and communication. Now, once you complete this step, the message will find its new home in what we call the pinned items panel for that particular channel or direct message conversation. You might be wondering, where exactly is this pinned items panel? Typically, it's located at the top of the channel or conversation window, easily accessible to anyone involved in the chat. This feature doesn't just benefit you. It serves the whole team by keeping those mission-critical messages right where everyone can find them without having to scroll endlessly. It's a simple yet highly effective way to streamline communication and maintain focus on what's truly important. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned a message in Slack, ensuring it remains front and center for all to see at a moment's notice. Remember, you can always unpin the message later if it's no longer relevant. The process is just as straightforward, ensuring your communication channels remain dynamic and adaptable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and may your Slack channels remain